All right, here we go. What's good, guys? Calvin B back with another video for you guys today. And in today's video, we have the LVL Up Pro gaming headset for you guys. First off, I gotta say welcome to the new studio. This is something that I wanted to do to kind of bring some uniqueness to the channel. I know that I've been doing unboxings, but it feels like I've been doing it the way other people have been doing it. And I gotta admit, you know, I took a lot of inspiration from the Flossie Carter channel, but I wanted to make it a little bit different for mine. So, welcome. And hopefully you guys like the lights in the back. I feel like that's pretty cool. But today we got the unboxing for the LVL Up Pro gaming headset. Let's go ahead and get into the packaging. Looks like it is compatible with the old gen. We got the PlayStation 4, PlayStation 4 Pro, Xbox One, and I believe, yes, PC. Now, I don't know if these are over the ear or on ear. We will see. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright guys, so here we got the package, and I forgot to mention that pretty much this is by Vivitar. On the bottom of the box you can pretty much tell the company name is Vivitar, which is pretty interesting. I haven't had a Vivitar product in quite a while, but yeah, so this is one that we're gonna test out the quality here. Alright, this out. Alright, so that's pretty much everything in the box. Alright, take this off the little paper stand. And looks like we got another splitter, audio mic splitter here. I would have really liked to see pretty much this be something more along the lines of, well, actually, you know, it's a little bit better because now you don't have that two wires hanging at the end. These are on-ear headphones for sure. We got the foldable mic, and we got a red design as opposed to the blue design. Okay. And it looks like we have the same slits on the side as the Bitech headphones, which is pretty interesting. So I wonder if these will be red instead of blue. Who knows? All right. Gotta check out I got a big head, so hey. Got the LVL Up branding on the side. The cushion, it doesn't really feel like you get much cushion on this, to be honest. Stretch test, pretty good stretch test. All right. But this is pretty much everything you get in the box. Just a little audio mic splitter and the headphones pretty much. So that is pretty much about it when it comes to the contents of the package. All you really get is the cord and also the headphones itself. But that is not the most important part of this product. The most important part is how it sounds. If it doesn't sound good, then really what's the point of buying it? So right quick, I'm gonna do a sound test for these and give my honest opinion about how these headphones sound. I got a song already queued up on my phone on max volume. So let's go ahead and see what these sound like. All right. Tighten it up, make sure I got that maximum seal. All right. Okay. Starting out pretty slow. Bass is okay. I can already tell though by just me talking, no noise cancellation on it. Alright. Alright. Alright, that's it. Just a 1 minute sound test. 1 minute is all you get. So I'm gonna go through this, right? I'm gonna go through this. No noise cancellation on these. I can already tell just by me having the headphones on and just playing the music and talking. I can already tell no noise cancellation on these. Secondly, the volume on these headphones could be louder. Like most headphones you get, you turn it on max volume, you're not able to hear yourself talk, or you're not able to hear somebody else talk. But with these, I can hear myself talk, so the volume isn't that loud. I think this is more of a mids oriented headset, mainly because like the bass and the highs, they don't play as great, but the mids, they come out crystal clear. You know, I think it's just a mids oriented headphone. I don't think there's anything else that I noticed about these. So far, like, the sound on them is okay. I would say that these are just for the casual listener. They're not really for people who are looking for the best quality. But that's the sound test. Moving on, we're gonna go to the mic test. I wanna test out the quality of the mic to see how it sounds when you're playing the game, chatting with your friends, or whether you're using these headphones for a phone call. I wanna check and see what the mic quality is on this. Okay, all right, so guys, I had to record this part twice, mainly because I just got through it and realized that the cord that they provide with the headphones actually does not work. As you can see, I have it connected, it's all in. And of course, the green is for the audio, for listening to music. The red is actually for the mic. And I have my voice recorder up here. And as you can see, when I plug it in, it does not show anything. So usually there's a message that comes up at the bottom that shows that the external mic will be used. I'm gonna plug this in again. And it doesn't register at all. So this cord is just trash, all right? So we're just gonna leave that to the side. Gonna go ahead and plug the headphones in just directly with the cord, and as you can see here, the external mic is gonna be used. So come on now. Come on, bro. Come on. All right, so let's go ahead and do this mic test. Check out the quality for the mic. All right. Let's go ahead, start this out. This is a test. This is a test. Calvin Brandon is the man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. More content is coming soon. Shout out to the squad. You guys already know what it is. Let's get it. Okay, pause it there for a second. All right, currently I don't know what it sounds like, but you guys don't either, but we all will find out right now. This is a test. This is a test. Calvin Brandon is the man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. More content is coming soon. Shout out to the squad. You guys already know what it is. Let's get it. So that is pretty much about it for the LVL Up Pro Gaming headset from Vivitar. Honestly, it's not a pro gaming headset. Off the bat, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 3-star. It's just a standard pair of headphones, normal headphones, right? I would suggest these headphones for someone who's just looking to play video games and chat with their friends online. If you're not really looking for the best quality and the sound, then yeah, these are gonna be okay for you. If you're an audiophile who just loves having the best quality sounding headphones, these are not it. I'm just gonna be honest there, right? Also, I noticed something, just so I didn't notice it before and I didn't really think about it, but these are pro gaming headset. It's a pro gaming headset. However, this headset does not even light up. It doesn't even, you know, you don't get any type of light up like the Vivitar. The Vivitar headphones are just labeled as gaming headphones and they light up, right? But these are labeled as pro gaming headsets, but they don't light up. I mean, I don't know if pro gaming headsets just don't light up, mainly because you don't want to focus on the flare in it, but I don't know. With me, if it's a gaming headset, then it will probably light up because you're using it to game. You're using it to most likely have some type of flare to it, right? But with these, you don't get that. So just 3 stars. I'm gonna end it there. That's pretty much about it for the video. If you guys happen to enjoy this video and the other content, make sure you slap a like on this, even also for the you know, the backdrop, the new studio. But throw a like on the video, help support the channel. Make sure you subscribe for more content. More content coming soon, and also you turn on those post notifications so you're notified every single time I upload a video. But that's basically about it. Don't forget to be brilliant. Stay inspired. You guys know what it is. Yes, you know what it is. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.